Today, we're going to be going through my icon box from like a while ago. I know a new icon box is coming out very shortly. Have no idea who that woman is. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you. I have no idea who she is. At the time, the icon was Patrick Starr. I never watched his YouTube channel. I've never tried any of his products. Honestly, I have no feelings. I wasn't super excited about it. I would have been very excited if like I had got like the Pat McGrath box because I know who she is. Even with Gwen Stefani. Like, Holla Back Girl was my jam. I was excited to get her box. But I'm not super excited about Patrick Starr. I'm indifferent. I'm indifferent. The first thing that I'm pulling out is, by LYS. I love LYS. And this is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Duo. And this is what it looks like. Lovable and OG. So there's two different ones. I mean, they're just like little lip treatment things, just little like lip glosses. I don't know. We just go through so many names. I know not everyone is going to be able to rock this shade. I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to pop this one in the giveaway. Just go ahead and see. And it has like a nice little pigment. Let's see what it does to my lips. You get a little bit of color. I mean, you can see it's smeared all over the place. It feels just like a regular schmegular lip gloss. This is his brand, One Size, and it is the Point Mid Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. This is what the actual pen is looking like. This little grippy part is pretty cool. And this is a nice chocolatey brown. What is the actual name of this? Busty brown. Let's see how this draws on. Pretty nice. It went on pretty nice. I did not press super duper hard. The next thing in here is super small. And this is the Fenty Skin Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream. Y'all, me and these damn eye creams. It's super cute. Okay, it's eventually gonna come out. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like regular schmegular skincare. The next thing, is again Fenty. I think this is a lipstick. Okay, so you get like the compartment and the lippy, like it's separate. It's supposed to be like refillable and all that. When I was looking online to see how to put this together, it looked really confusing. The shade that I got was Mother Lover, and this is what the actual like lipstick compartment looks like. I guess you're supposed to put this in here. Okay, click that in there, and then this is supposed to seal into, wait, oh my God, what did I do? Oh shoot, I think I jacked it up. Okay, no I didn't. All right, so I think you're supposed to like pop it in like that. Okay, so that wasn't as confusing as I thought it would be. And then you just twist it, it pops up, and then you have your lippy. Very pretty. It has like the Fenty emblem on it. Let's see, it's like a really nice nude shade. It smells sweet. And that's the color that I got. I would rock that with a nice brown, deep brown lip liner. It's, black girl. I can't just put this color on my lips. I'll look crazy. You would think this is like a Fenty takeover box because I got another Fenty item. And this is the Buff Rider Exfoliating Body Scrub. And this is what it looks like. Okay, we got a safety seal. Riri know what's up. Okay, she know folks like to know they stuff ain't been tampered with. Product's right there. As soon as I squeeze it, product comes out. And it smells really good. That smells delicious. Smells edible. Smells very sweet. I will give this a try, a nice little body scrub. Probably not anytime soon. Probably after I give birth, just because I can't reach my body. I need help to get all the places. We're probably gonna hold off on this until after baby, just so that I can really get the full experience. And then I'll let y'all know if I like it or not. And I love this purple. This purple is so cute. It's just so muted and beautiful. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Kosas, and this is the Grow Potion Fluffy Brow Lash Booster Serum. And this is what it looks like. I love this color. This is what the component looks like. It smells very chemically. Okay, it smells like a straight up chemical, which I guess means it's gonna work. Okay. I got another thing from LYS. I had no idea I was getting all this LYS. This is the Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. And this is what it looks like. I got the color LN6. Let's see, hopefully it's my color because I'll be struggling, okay? Not just with opening boxes, but with picking my color. I just, things look one way online and then when you get them, they show up a completely different way. They're way too yellow, way too orange. But this is what it's looking like. I love the packaging, okay? LYS, their packaging is so unique. That's actually perfect. That is actually very perfect. That's the shade that I like to get for my concealers. So this is a win. I'm very excited. We're we're gonna try that out the next try on, because yeah, that's a perfect concealer color for me. I like it to be real bright. The next thing that I pulled out is the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing. All these words, just tell me what it is. Pore Mask. And this is what the box is looking like. It's like a metal tube. It reminds me of old school toothpaste when it used to come like this. And this is by Benefit. It is like a green. No safety seal, by the way. Does it smell like anything? I don't know. I can't really smell anything. I'll probably get a better gauge on how it smells or if it stank once I actually put it on my face. I ain't mad at it. One thing that I am sad is I didn't get a palette in this one. The final thing in my icon box. Ooh, okay. This is a really nice container. And this is the Dermalactives Purifying Cleansing Gel. It just smells like regular schmegular cleanser. Very nice, sturdy packaging. Yeah, we'll try that out once I read the ingredients. We'll try it out and see. That was everything in my icon box. How do I feel about it? I'm okay. I mean, the lipstick, really nice. Very excited about the lipstick. Very excited about the concealer. It would have been nice to get more of his products in my box, not just one item, especially something as boring as a freaking eyeliner. You know, you get what you get and you be grateful for what you get because you're getting it at a discount, I guess. Next time they have an icon that I actually know and I'm excited about, then I might resub to it. But until then, I'm just gonna coast and enjoy my little glam bags. That's it. That's all I can handle right now is a little glam bag. That's all, that's it. Don't send me nothing else. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comments, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.